Hey folks, today I'm here to help you paint one of the biggest problems many of my students here have, and this is the color red. The color red is quite easy if you know some simple tricks, and today I want to show you how to paint red by painting this arm. Okay, I have several colors I use. The base is this dirty red from AK, sorry the name is not readable anymore, and dark sea blue. I already primed the areas I want to have red with these colors. And now I start by adding the first highlight. You could darken the red by using black, but it looks a little bit lifeless with black, so I prefer a different color. And dark sea blue is a nice greenish, bluish something that's quite dark and works perfect for this task. There are three colors I would recommend everyone to have. It's dark sea blue, hull red, and pale yellow. But you can switch the pale yellow against ivory or something similar. It's only important that's off-white. Okay, as you can see, this is the first step. A little bit brighter, not much, but a little bit. Now add more of the dirty red. I would nearly suggest use it in the pure form now. By the way, I hope the sound is better now. I have a new microphone on my working space. And I hope that it works. Okay, as you can see, it's even more bright now. I used pure dirty red. And now the main question of my pupils or students occur: how to brighten up red. Red is different to light it up, because red has difficulties accepting different colors in it. If you add some white to it, it will become pinkish. If you add yellow, it will become more orange, and it changes the tone of the color totally. So this is something we don't want to have. We want to have a nice bright red. And for me, I found out that when lighting up red, so I added another layer of this dirty red, it was a little bit too dark for my taste. The way to make it more bright is to add some tone of fluo orange. The good thing is the fluo orange doesn't change the value of the color. It's only brighten it up. As you can see, it's still red, even with a big amount of fluo orange in it. I hope you can see it, it's much brighter now. The next step is even more insane. I use this pure orange now to make the next highlight. And I have to say, since I found this trick using this fluo orange, I'm no more afraid of painting red, and painting red was always a pain in the ass before. Now I have to add some lights, therefore I use some ivory in the orange. If you have seen my Space Marine tutorial, I painted a little bit different here. I started with a darker color. Okay, I did that with the Marine too, but then I added the most bright highlight at first. But here with red I like to work from the base up to the light. And it's a little bit too harsh, like it's in the moment. We can erase the transition like we did with the Space Marine as well. It's a game of backward and forward until we're happy with the light on this part. Transition here is not good, so let's paint over it a little bit again. Then add some light again. Okay. Basically that's it. Now you have a transition from really dark red to a really bright red. By using the shortcut with the fluo orange. I like this way a lot. This is how I paint my reds, even in contest images. And I think the final result is quite promising. All we have to do now is some outlining, and then that's it. I hope you like what you saw. It's quite easy, it's not a big task. If you have questions, please contact me, use the commentary function on YouTube, or write me on Instagram, I can help you. I hope the sound is better now with this new microphone. Yeah, let's see if it works. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.